when you purchase one from the store, it's going to come in a box just like this. You're going to pop the top open and unravel your power cord first. Grab a hold of the salt lamp. Sometimes it's actually easier to turn it over like so. It's going to have a cardboard protector. Gonna pop that off. Gonna slide it out of the bag very gently and very carefully because it is heavy. It is a solid chunk of salt, so be careful. And there you have it. It's very beautiful, very pure, all natural Himalayan salt with a nice wooden base. Now, one of the main things I want to show you is the new patented and certified dimmer switch. It looks just like this. It has our company logo on the back and the certification stamp also. You turn it right to turn on, left to turn off, and it gives you a wide range of intensity with your light so you can set the tone, set the mood for whatever the occasion. So, all you have to do is plug it into an outlet, which I am about to do right now to show you just how absolutely gorgeous these lamps can get. Now, here we go. Gonna turn it right and it turns on. And there's that glow. It's a very orange, intense glow. You can lower it down, raise it back up. See, there's a wide range that you can get right now. And then all the way to the left to turn off. And there you have it. You unbox, easy assemble, and ready to go. So, go out and purchase one in your store today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
The largest producer and brand of Himalayan salt products in the world.